Assalamu alaikum. I am Asma Mushtaq from the EE Vibes. In this video lecture, we are going to solve the text classification problem using the knife-based classifier or the knife-based algorithm. The text classification is a fundamental task in the natural language processing that involves categorizing the text document into the predefined labels or the classes. Fine. The knife-based classifier is a popular and effective algorithm for this purpose. We can see here are 6 sentences. Fine, and out of which 3 sentences belong to the class of tech. For example, AI is transforming industries, quantum computing is the future, all right, while 3 other sentences belong to the class non-tech. Fine. So our task is to test, given the sentence AI is the future of computing belongs to the class of tech or non-tech. The first step is to calculate the prior probabilities, which is actually determining the probabilities of both classes. Since we are having 2 types of the classes, the one is the tech and the other one is the non-tech. So the probability of the class tech is actually equal to the number of the sentences belonging to the class tech, which is equal to 3 in this case, divided by total number of the sentences, which is equal to 6, which gives us 0.5 probability of the class tech. Similarly, the probability of class non-tech is actually determined by using the same formula, which gives us the probability of class non-tech to be 0.5. Fine. Once we are done with determining the prior probabilities, the next step is to develop or build the vocabulary set, which actually consists of unique words from the given set of these sentences. Fine. So here what I have done, I have written each word distinctly or independently, and then I have written the count of that particular word belonging to the class tech or non-tech. For example, the word AI is occurring only once and it belongs to the class tech. AI is not appearing in the class non-tech, so that's why its count is equal to 0. While in the tech class, its count is equal to 1. Similarly, the next word in the vocabulary set is. And you can clearly see that is occurring twice in the tech class, while its count is equal to 0 in the non-tech class. In this way, I have written the unique words with respect to their counts, and here you can see that the total number of words in the vocabulary set is equal to 23, and if you count the tech words, that is equal to 1 plus 2 3, and so on, it gives us 13, while the non-tech word counts is equal to 12. Now we will apply the knife-based algorithm for finding the class of this particular sentence. The knife part of the name refers to simplifying the assumptions. For example, the features in a document are assumed to be conditionally independent of each other given the class. While this assumption is often violated in the real world text data, but sometimes the knife classifier still outperforms surprisingly. Fine. So let's just compute the likelihood probability of x given y, which is actually the probability of the word x given the class y. Okay, using the knife assumption of the independence, we can say that probability of x given y is actually equal to probability of the first word given the class y into probability of second word given the class y up to so on probability of nth word given the class y. Fine. So to calculate the probability of word of I given class Y, we will do what? We will use the count of the word W in the class Y plus 1 divided by the total word count in that class Y plus V. So what does it mean? That I mean to say that count of the word I plus 1 divided by total word count in that class y plus total size of the vocabulary. Why we are doing that? This is actually known as the Laplace smoothing. So Laplace smoothing actually adds plus 1 to avoid the zero probabilities for the words that are not seen in the training data. What does it mean? It means that assume we are going to calculate the probability of the first word AI. Since it is just appearing in the class tech, but it is not appearing in the class non-tech. So whenever we are facing such type of the scenario, what we will do? We will apply the plus 1 Laplace smoothing. Okay, so this actually avoids the probability being 0. The sentence for which we had to determine the class is consisting of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words, where AI is the first word. So let's just evaluate the probability of AI given that it belongs to the class tech. I will apply the Laplace smoothing, according to which W of I represents the weight of AI in the class tech, which is equal to 1 in this case. Fine. So this is equal to 1 plus 1 divided by total number of samples in the technical class, which is equal to 13 as determined previously, plus the size of the vocabulary set was equal to 23. So this gives us 2 divided by 36, which is equal to 1 divided by 18. Fine. Similarly, the next word in the sentence is. So probability of is belonging to tech class is equal to, again the count of is in the tech class is 2. So that's why we will again apply the Laplace smoothing throughout. Why? Because its count in the non-tech class is equal to 0. So this becomes 2 plus 1 divided by 36, which is equal to 3 over 36, and this gives us 1 over 12. Similarly, the probability of word the given tech class is equal to 1 plus 1 divided by 36. This gives us 1 over 18. While the word future, so for the probability of the future given the tech class is equal to, since the future is occurring only once, so again it gives us the probability of 1 divided by 18. Now let's calculate the probability of the word of. As you can clearly see that this word of is not appearing in our vocabulary set. So that's why for any word that doesn't appear in our vocabulary set, we can simply discard it. So that's why we will not evaluate the probability for this word. Let's evaluate the probability for the next word, which is computing. So probability of computing given that it belongs to the class tech is equal to 1 over 18 again. Why? Because computing is occurring only once. So in this way we have evaluated the probability of each word that is appearing in the sentence for which we want to determine the class. Now what we need to do, we will evaluate the posterior probability, for which probability of the class y, given that these are the given words, it is directly proportional to probability of x given y into probability of class y. Okay, so probability of being tech given all these words x is directly proportional to, since the probability of x given y is equal to the product of the probability of each word occurring in that particular tech class. So we will just multiply 1 over 18 into 1 over 12 into 1 over 18, then 1 over 18, and finally 1 over 18. And we determined probability of class tech, that was equal to 1 over 2 or 0.5. So let's just simplify it. So probability of being class tech given this sentence is equal to 5.715 into 10 raised to power minus 5, or simply we can write it as 0.000057115. Okay, so this is actually the probability of being from the tech class given this sentence is equal to this value. Now the next step is to determine the probability of being the non-tech class given these words. Fine. And then finally we will compare the probabilities of being tech and non-tech class, and whichever will be the greater one will actually assign the class label. So let's just do quickly. So probability of being non-tech class given that it belongs to the class of given that it's the AI word, this is equal to, since the count of AI in the non-tech is equal to 0, so that's why we will apply the Laplace smoothing. So 0 plus 1 divided by, also one thing you need to remember, the total number of words in the non-tech class is equal to 12, so that's why we will write 12 this time plus 23, and it is equal to 1 divided by 35. Similarly, probability of non-tech class given that the word is since the count of is equal to 0, so again its probability will be equal to 1 over 35. Now for the next word, probability of non-tech given that the word is this is equal to, since the count is again 0, it also equal to 35. Similarly, the probability of the future belongs to class non-tech is equal to 0 plus 1 divided by 12 plus 23 again, which gives us 1 over 35. And the probability of is not determined. Why? Because it doesn't belong to the set of vocabulary. The last one is the probability of computing given the non-tech class is again equal to 1 over 35, since the count of the computing is equal to 0. Fine. Finally, we are going to determine the probability of non-tech class given this sentence is equal to the probability of the product of the individual product multiplication, and then finally of the probability of the non-tech class. So that is equal to 1 divided by 35 into 1 divided by 35 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And finally, we will multiply it with the probability of being from the non-tech class, which is equal to 0.5 as determined initially. Let's just simplify it and we will get, so this comes out to be 9.5198 into 10 raised to power minus 9, which is a very, very, very small number, and this is less than 5.715 into 10 raised to power minus 5. So that's why we will say that this sentence AI is the future of computing belongs to the class of tech. Okay, thank you for watching.